What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for checking out the build. Part number 8. This is where the fun stuff starts. Gonna be tearing apart the Jeep Renegade, getting ready for the HEMI swap. So yeah, this is it. No turning back. Hopefully by the end of this video, this thing's gonna be damn. Yeah, hopefully by the end of this video, this thing's just gonna be a shell. So no putting it off anymore. Let's just jump right into it, see what happens. Alright, quick update. Got the whole front end tore off. Actually went pretty quick. Nothing's really fighting me so far. Yeah, got everything labeled. Saved you all the boring part of watching all that. Actually ran out of labels, still waiting on those to show up. But I really don't know what I'm doing next. But yeah, I may end up trying to drop the engine, because really doesn't matter if I strip the interior right now. I kind of just want to put the engine up here, the Hemi, see what happens, see if it looks like it's gonna fit. I guess we can take a look. As I mentioned in the previous one, we got the strut towers are pretty far back, close to the firewall. So yeah, we're gonna have to be chopping quite a bit. Firewall's probably gonna be pushed back up underneath. Well, I guess I got the old firewall here. Yeah, you can see we got decent amount of distance between where the Charger's suspension is going to be mounted to where that's going to have to be located on the Renegade. So yeah, struts here. Firewall is going to be pushed back quite a bit, but yeah, oh well, we'll make it happen. All right, yeah, I guess I'll start knocking out some more. All right. Alright, day one progress of the Renegade teardown, going pretty good. You can see you got the engine tore out. She's sitting right here. You know, again, only thing that fought me, just like on the Charger, was the steering linkage. There was a bolt inside I couldn't find. Didn't really look for. Other than that, I mean, it wasn't too bad. But yeah, just checking out frame rail to frame rail. We got plenty of room, but I'm taking measurements from the Charger. We got about a foot less of end of the frame to the firewall, so definitely gonna have to be chopping in. But yeah, I knew that going into it. No way I'm gonna fit a V8 where a 4-cylinder went without making some sacrifices. So you know, it's gonna have to do whatever it takes to make it happen. But there's no turning back now. You know, I'm sitting here with half a car, so either put it back with that garbage or throw the V8 in there. So guess we'll take another look. Shit, I might even try to wheel this thing out. I got it kind of blocked in with the rear end. Didn't plan that out. But yeah, I got a mess, so I got to clean up. I got stuff thrown everywhere. But yeah, I think I'll clean up and wheel that engine out here and see what it looks like. But all right, yeah, we'll see what happens. Yo, she ain't fitting. This thing is not gonna fit. Oh man. Yeah, so we're chopping it. Yeah, that firewall's got to go back at least a foot. Yeah, see the intake, the serpentine is pretty much flush with the front of the fender. So yeah, so we're gonna have to push it back about a foot. We're hitting the transmission's hitting on the firewall and the tunnel, so I can't drop it down anymore. But I mean, yeah, that was the plan the whole time. Ooh, yeah, it was pretty much expected to have to chop the firewall, push everything back, and kind of lose some room in the cabin as well. I mean, it is what it is. I don't care if I sit in the back seat while I'm driving, as long as it works, you know. So yeah, that's it for right now. Engine's sitting in the bay, kind of. Yeah, it's definitely gonna have to get pushed back, because right now, yeah, suspension is pretty much even with the front of the wheel well, so I got to go back at least a foot. I mean, you know, I knew that getting into it, but you know, shit, it's just one more step, gonna make it happen. All right, guess I'll let y'all go. Thanks for checking out the videos. Like and subscribe, whatever, if you want to. But yeah, just check out the next video. Be tearing apart the rest of the interior and then chopping up the firewall. See if I can get that engine in there. But all right, thank you.